Hi, welcome to the C Programming for Beginners course. My name is Sandip Bhattacharya and I am your instructor for this course. If you are planning to start your career as a software developer, then you have chosen wisely to start with C programming language, the mother of all modern programming languages. It's been almost 50 years since C language has been developed. It has become the most widely used programming language of all time, still heavily used in so many fields, including system software and application software development, and it's definitely here to stay. Now, I have BTech and MTech degrees both in computer science and engineering. I have been teaching students programming and software development for over 17 years and have been developing real-world apps and games and have years of experience with the C programming language. The best way to learn any programming language is to write programs in it. Throughout this course, I have discussed theory as well as have done everything practically. So this course is going to be comprehensive, easy to understand and 100% hands-on. I have designed this course for beginners as well as for those who want to gain more confidence in C programming language. I will be teaching you from the basics of C programming to the advanced level in a clear, concise and easy manner. By the end of the course, I can assure you that you will have a solid understanding of C. You will be able to solve various programming problems on your own and you will have enough confidence to crack technical interviews for your dream job. And if you are a student having C programming language in your curriculum, then this course will definitely help you. If you face any issues or have any questions, you can always ask me questions and I will respond to all your queries. Feel free to look through the course description for more details and I look forward to seeing you inside.